Hey guys, Szenanphua from Acupuncturist School. Today I'm going to talk about two cases of scoliosis. So I'm going to show you one of the cases from Malaysia. One of the Malaysian colleague who learned JiYi acupuncture 2 years ago, I think. Then he's actually a very good practitioner in manual therapies and learned from his father, and then since he learned JiYi acupuncture, and he used JiYi acupuncture to treat a lot of scoliosis cases. This is one of the cases. I want to share with you that with JiYi acupuncture, you can combine cupping, you can combine manual therapy, right? It's just another tool in the boxes. If you just want to use, I want to use this acupuncture, you can do that too, right? So let's have a look at the case. As you can see over here, well, this is before treatment, right? So that you can see this is the middle of bottom over here and go down. Here you go. And that's right after treatment. That's just better. Right. So you can see it's actually better, and it's even better after this. So I think this is another treatment before the treatment, and then after treatment, get a cupping over here. So as you see that's better. This case is from Malaysia. Okay, one of Malaysian practitioners. I'm not quite sure how long did he suffer from this. Okay, going to look at the next case. This is the next case, and over here is scoliosis for half years, about 6 months. All right, and this is just one JiYi acupuncture treatment, and this is in 2019, May 23rd. Okay, as you can see here, before treatment, when we treat that, we take a photo. We want the patient to put both feet together and then stand up naturally like this. As you can see here, ooh, pretty obvious, right? And okay, here you go. After one session of acupuncture, and the patient returned on another day, and you see before second treatment, shoo, can you see that? That put both legs together and much straight. Not perfect, you can see it, not perfect, but you know, much better, right? Between that one and that one, right? That's how JiYi acupuncture can do. Now we're going to show you some more before and after. So for you to realize JiYi acupuncture actually work very well for scoliosis. Then we have some cases for 3 years, 9 years, you know, or more than 10 years. Those cases, I'll slowly show you all this before and after picture. All right. Now we have free JiYi acupuncture training. Of course, it's free. It's not the full contents. You're not going to learn how to treat scoliosis yet, but very basic one, water point. The free video link is actually down there or up there. We also have a workshop coming up in November, but I'm filming this video on 8th July 2022, right? And the workshop in Malaysia is going to be in I think it's 24th to 26th November 2022. Okay, so you click the link down there. There's one link to show you what would you learn. Okay, you definitely will learn all the technique, way to needle it for scoliosis in the workshop. All right, stay awesome and many more. Right, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.